Everyone, I'm honored to be with the Hungarian ambassador, and me as the founder of the Hungarian Pakistan Business Forum would be giving out a laptop every month to any Pakistani who makes 500 new friends from Hungary. This will allow more friendship between Hungarians and Pakistanis to develop and a good relationship between our two countries. So Mr. Ambassador would hopefully be giving the laptops himself.
Very good idea, very good idea. We support it because the most important in our bilateral relations, I think, the people-to-people contact. So from this point of view, this is an excellent idea. I support it.
You have to do the work, and once you've done it, you can go to Findora.net to check if you actually have 500 Hungarian friends. All right? So keep finding more Hungarian friends, and let's make some new friends in Hungary.